Welcome to the Stop and Go, a game show of the latest generation. You don't know everything about science? You don't know who the president of the USA is? Or when people landed on the moon? Don't worry, the only source of knowledge you need is the one you'll get by participating in our quiz show. This is the only quiz of its kind in which everyone, regardless of their educational level, social status, physical shape, age or gender, has equal chances of winning. Have you ever wondered why? Are you wondering now? The two deciding factors for the victory are good luck and knowledge, but only the knowledge gained from the episode in which a contestant participates. The Stop and Go is a game show in which contestants in a studio, as well as TV viewers, can win lots of money or valuable prizes. How to become a contestant on the Stop and Go show? Every member of the studio audience is also a potential contestant. In order to become a Stop and Go contestant, you need to fulfill two conditions. The first, to apply, and the second, to have good luck. For taking part in the show, you should apply either by sending a text message or dialing a commercial phone line. Every week, the software randomly selects 100 contestants who will be invited to appear in the studio. The audience consists of 100 people, seated one behind the other in 25 rows, aligned in a circle around the main stage. Every contestant randomly picks his or her seating place by extracting one of the numbers from the shaded box. Stop and Go game show consists of 4 games. The first game, 4 times 4. This is the only game in which a decision on winners depends exclusively on luck. The host activates the software by pressing the button, thus picking the number of 4 out of 25 seating rows. The 16 contestants sitting in those rows qualify for the next round and have a chance to compete for a big money prize. The viewers at home can also take part in this game. Starting from the end of the last episode until the beginning of the next one, the viewers can send text messages with combinations of line numbers they think will be drawn in the next episode. A certain number of the fastest accurate combinations received via texts get valuable prizes. However, there are still many obstacles that the 16 contestants who qualified for the next game will have to overcome in order to win big money prizes. The second game, In Frame. The luckiest 16 contestants who have successfully passed the 4 times 4 game compete in the game called In Frame. What happens in Frame? Be in frame and win this game. 1-minute slideshow accompanied by a comic text will be presented to the competitors. The competitors should memorize as many details from the slideshow as they can. The host asks the questions only about what they've seen in the slideshow. 3 possible answers, A, B or C, are offered to the competitors. The competitors give answers by pressing the buttons A, B or C. The software registers the 3 fastest answers. The first 8 competitors with a certain number of correct answers qualify for the next game. One of the questions from this round is referred to the TV viewers. The answers are sent via text messages. A number of viewers who've sent correct answers get valuable prizes. The third game, All in All. The game All in All is harder than the previous one. 8 competitors, the winners of the in-frame game, take part in this game. How to jump the All in All wall and reach the final round. 1-minute film is presented to the competitors. The content of the film may vary, from a short sketch with a famous person, a part of a trailer for a new film, a film excerpt, a part of a music video, to a cartoon, current topics, etc. Unlike the in-frame, in this game, the competitors have to memorize not just what they've seen, but also what they've heard. The host asks the questions only about what they've seen and heard in the film. Sometimes the answers to the questions are offered, and sometimes they aren't. Unlike the in-frame, in the all-in-all game, the contestants give spoken answers. The contestant who presses the button first has the right to answer a question. If his answer isn't correct, he'll get a negative point, and the chance to answer the next question goes to the next fastest competitor. The first 4 competitors with 4 correct answers go to the next round. One of the questions from this round is also referred to the TV viewers. The answers are sent via text messages. A number of viewers who have sent the correct answers get valuable prizes. The fourth game, Stop and Go. This is a crucial and the most important game by which the show got its name, the reason why competitors are applying, and it also provides a unique chance to win a significant amount of money. The Stop and Go differs from the other quiz games because here the questions are not asked by the host, but by the competitors. Which task do the competitors in the Stop and Go game need to accomplish? There are a few thousand mystery objects in the database. At the beginning of the game, the software randomly chooses a mystery object which the competitors must guess. Alternatively, the object can be written on a piece of paper and drawn from a big cylinder with a few thousand written entries. The four competitors, one after another, should ask the host questions about the object. If the host's answer is stop, it means that the competitors are going in the wrong direction. If the host's answer is go, it means that the competitors are going in the right direction. After each of the competitors has asked one question, the round will be finished and the competitors can write down what they think the correct answers are on their boards or touch screens. In order to make the game easier for the competitors, at the end of every odd round, they get a clue or a sentence which may refer to the final solution. The correct answer in the first round is worth €1 million, and the total fund is divided between the competitors who provide the correct answer. If every latter round finishes without correct answers, the prize fund will be reduced. The competitor can stop the round by saying stop, and then write on the board what he thinks is the right answer. If he guesses, the entire sum of money belongs to him, and if not, he must ask the question in the next round, but he can't give the answer. The viewers at home can also play the Stop and Go game via text messages by sending the answer they consider to be the right one. As the game draws to its close, the home viewers get more information about the mystery object. A certain amount of the fastest received and correct text messages win valuable prizes. The Stop and Go game show is an entertainment for the whole family and a unique chance to win big prizes. Because of that, the Stop and Go is also a chance for high TV rankings and subsequently a chance to win big profits. So, don't stop, be a winner!